December. 13 years since I've been to Jamaica for Christmas, and guess what? I just booked tickets.
5 years. You see how excited?
Look! I got my Bob Marley t-shirt on. See, it was meant to be. It was meant to be.
There's so much happening. We're doing something every day. Never in the house.
Jamaica.
Never in the house. Never in the house. If we ain't.
Hello guys, it's been a while. I've been busy. I work retail, and if you know anything about working in a retail at this time of the year, it gets wild. So yeah, I've been busy. And as you know, or if you did not know, if I didn't mention it yet, we're going to Jamaica for Christmas, guys. Yes, finally, after this year will be 13 years. So after 13 years of not being in Jamaica for Christmas, I finally get to go to Jamaica for Christmas. Anyways, so we're all going. The whole family's going. And so we've been busy preparing for that. I do want to do a pack with me video, but the problem is when you have to pack and organize and get stuff for so many people, it's not panning out. And so I did start packing. I packed for Nye and T. I packed their suitcases, but I also just bought them more stuff to add to the suitcases. So of course we have that. So I know I have to reopen them and put more stuff in. We will be down there for almost 3 weeks. They will be missing a couple of days of school in the beginning of the school year, but they'll be all right. They really don't miss that much school, so they'll be all right. It's just that they'll be missing all the days at once. But yeah, like I said, I bought more stuff, so I'm gonna have to go through. I did start. I'm in the car, as you can see, and it's getting dark, so there's cars passing by. I think I'm gonna do a pack with me when I do my luggage. I did start it, but then I got frustrated, just threw everything in, zipped it up and put it to the side. Apparently it weighs 57 pounds, but that's just one piece, and I haven't packed the carry-on yet and stuff like that. But obviously also I have to pack the heat. Do y'all hear that? That's the heat. It's Jersey. It's getting cold. But yeah, so I do still need to pack my carry-on. Obviously that's gonna be for electronics, my camera, my computer, a drone. I got a drone. They said ask and you shall receive, and I asked and I received a drone, guys. I never flown a drone, but guess what? We'll be getting our practice together in Jamaica. Hopefully I get some good footage so I can actually, you know, insert them. But anyways, but yeah, so I do need to repack my luggage, so maybe I'll do that. And I'll probably do like personal care stuff that I buy that we take to Jamaica with us. Obviously, you know, body wash, toothpaste, soap and stuff like that. Yes, you can buy that there, but let's be honest with ourselves, you know, it's cheaper to just get it here and be done with it. What else? And then of course, you know, like bags. I'll just probably do my luggage. I won't do the kids luggage because like I said, that's basically done. I just need to add a few other things that I picked up and zip up and weigh and roll to the side for the time being. But yeah, I'm so excited, guys. Come along, subscribe if you want to see them Jamaica vlogs. I'm gonna record everything. I'm gonna be recording everything. There'll be some aesthetic vlogs, maybe there'll be some just chilling with the fam bam, just running our mouths, you know, drinking, you know, libation and all of that, and just chilling and just doing our thing. So yeah, just subscribe, like, comment, share. If you want something specific that you want me to record while I'm in Jamaica, hit me up in the comments and let me know. I just wanted to jump on here and get a quick little it's December, what's this, the 9th? Today's December 9th. So I just wanted to, I wasn't doing no vlogmas. I didn't decorate for Christmas. We put up the tree. It didn't get decorated, and it's literally just sitting in the corner. We've plugged it in twice since we put it up, but because we were gonna be home for Christmas, first we was like, oh, let's still decorate it and enjoy it, but we were gonna be home by the time we get back. It's almost time to take it down. So what was, you know, so I was like, okay, forget it, it's okay, just not even bother. Let's probably put it back in the box, either before I leave or right after I come back. But what else? Like I said, we've been busy. Everybody, you know, got stuff to make sure they get done before we leave. We've been deep cleaning the house to make sure, because you know we won't be back before the 1st of January. And you already know how we do. You have the house have to be clean. You can't have no dirty laundry, you know, stuff like that. It can't be done before, or so they say, before the beginning of the new year. So we're trying to get all that stuff done before we go, because like I said, we'll be gone. But yeah, this is a just quick catch up what's been going on, guys. I do have some end of the summer vlogs, or a vlog. I'll just probably put it all together if I do upload it. It's nothing special. We didn't really get up to nothing. It's just Terrence finishing up football season and stuff like that. So it's nothing major, nothing crazy. It's just what it is. But this is just about, we're going to Jamaica. Jamaica for Christmas. We're going to Jamaica and the island sun, and the islands. I'm excited. I'm souped. I am super excited. I can't wait to see everyone. Last time I went to Jamaica was 2022 for that quick trip that I did. And then the last time the younger kids went was 2019, when we went for a couple weeks in the summer. And then the last time the older girls went were, well, it's a young woman now. The older girls went was 21? December 21? I think, yeah, December 21 into January 2022. I think that's the last time they went for the holiday. Oh, no, Tara was just in Jamaica September. I forgot. She went to Jamaica in September. But anyways, guys, I'm just out here at Terrence's school waiting for Terrence to get out of acting club, because Terrence is always doing something. But it's okay, you know, keep him busy, keep him, you know, doing stuff. But yeah, I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. I'm tired. I just got off of work too, so I'm so excited. I can't wait. Jamaica Christmas 2024 vlogs loading. I can't wait, guys. I can't wait. Don't pay me no mind. I'm just super excited because, like I said, it's been forever. Obviously, Jamaica now for Christmas and Jamaica when I was growing up is completely different. It's a different experience. Well, yeah, I'm still excited. Still excited to go tour the island. You know, we have a couple plans to go to a couple places that I've been already, but the kids have not been, or people like my mom, she's going. My aunt, my cousin, my other aunt, other people that we know are going down. So, you know, I plan to tour the island. I want to go to Port Royal. I want to go finally make it to Portland. I hope I make it to Portland. It's been a place that I've always wanted to go, and I still have not made it to Portland. Like I said, excuse the light. I'm on the road. The cars are coming. But me can't wait for go down, you know. Me can't wait. I'm excited. Christmas Day at Jamaica. Christmas Day at Jamaica for this year. Me excited. Me can't wait. Got a couple more weeks before we get on that flight. And trust me, them tickets are never cheap, and them tickets are never cheap. I don't have most me ever pay for ticket for go to Jamaica, and probably the most I'll ever pay, because I ain't doing it again. Next time I go to Jamaica for Christmas definitely won't be next year, because, you know, unless I switch work. But yeah, next time I go to Jamaica for Christmas, it won't be that much money. But anyways, it's all about, you know, taking them kids to go experience the culture and everything. The last time when we went, Nyla was 3. Yeah, Nyla's about to be 16, and Terrence was in my belly. So then Terrence is 12. So Terrence has never been to Jamaica for Christmas. Terrence has never been to Jamaica for Christmas. So yeah, this is all about taking them to go experience the Christmas culture in Jamaica as a part of their culture. Because I definitely want to make sure that they know and understand their culture, not just living in America and learning from what we tell them or see us do or stuff like that. I want them to go and experience their culture in Jamaica and learn and see and do and eat the food that's there. Some Jamaican snacks. I'll probably do a video of them trying Jamaican snacks there and stuff like that. But yeah, Now I'm just yap rambling. But guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Get ready for the Jamaica vlogs, guys. Jamaica vlogs will be loading. Jamaica Christmas 2024/2025. And yeah, peace out, guys. See you guys in the next one. Love ya.